Mental alchemy. Mental alchemy. Mental alchemy.
What up, what up, what up, my people? Dreamwise here for another one. The star in your movie.
You know who I am. You don't know where I am. And you'll never see me coming.
We are in a big movie, and you are the lead in role. The world is a screen, and your subconscious mind is the projector. What the f***? Your pineal gland is the antenna for you to see the background programming. Pineal gland is a data receiver of your subconscious mind's projections onto your reality. It decodes these signals into visualizations that can be read by the brain. Your pineal gland is also responsible for secreting melatonin, which affects your sleep patterns and circadian rhythm to put you in the best situation possible to have this communication mechanism with what we call dreams. Dreams.
Knock, knock.
You've seen The Truman Show. This is an example of you being controlled by some higher power or something outside of space and time. But what is this something? Well, the something is what we like to call our higher self, subconscious mind, spirit, etc. But is it in control of us, or are we in control of it? Remember the movie Aladdin and how he found that lamp in the cave of wonders? Subconscious mind. And once he rubbed the lamp, pineal gland, he was able to make 3 wishes. Well, the 3 is just the 3 wise men, or the third eye, pineal pituitary hypothalamus gland. Go see my Aladdin Decoded. Our third eye power is the Aladdin's lamp, and when we rub it, our wishes are desires. How do we rub our lamp? Water, sleep, meditation, Harataki, plug, mentalalchemy.com. But the most important way is thinking outside of the box.
Thinking outside of the box. Thinking outside of the box.
Thinking outside of the box is just not going with the status quo or the logic sense of the things, because society, schools, and your mama said it's the right thing to do. Are you conscious of your actions? Are you conscious of what you're wishing for? Or are you letting outside forces dictate your wish? You must be mindful and deliberate of your wishes. Are you running around aimlessly with no direction? Are you giving someone else the power to direct your truth? Either you are the director of your movie, or someone else is directing your movie for you. It is important to know that you're the overseer of your own script writing, directing, casting, producer, lead actors, sound engineer, and all the intel that comes with producing a movie. If you want to change your movie, you must take control of one thing. The projector. Dreamwise.